Yep. Yep. I left your contract. I said, go man on witness. I said, Heather, I said, I'll witness here in town. He wants me to fill out license stuff.